Hello students, I am going to discuss about a problem that is I have given in the last sessions. R of t minus R of t minus 1 minus R of t minus 3 plus R of t minus 4. So what is R of t? R of t is a ramp signal. Okay, so this is ramp signal R of t having slope 1 plus 1. R of t is always having the rising slope. Okay, so it is starting from 0 and it will end at infinity, which is having the slope 1. Next I am having R of t minus 1. Actually R of t minus 1 is nothing but a delayed version signal. Delayed signal by a unit of 1. Okay, so R of t minus 1 will be like this. This is 0, this is 1. So this is R of t minus 1. Delayed version signal, but it is having the slope 1. Here what is the slope? It is minus 1. So the signal should be like this. Minus R of t minus 1 should be like this. It is having the slope minus 1. Here it is having the slope plus 1. Okay, so it is starting from 1. Similarly, so here I am drawing R of t minus 1. So this is R of t minus 1 having the slope minus 1. It is starting from 1. R of minus of R of t minus 1. Next I am having the signal R of t minus 3 minus R of t minus 3. So delayed version, but it is delayed by 3 units, which is having the slope minus 1 like this, but it is started at the 3 unit. So this is 3. At 3 signal is started having the slope minus 1. Next I am having R of t minus 4. So it is having plus 1 slope. Okay, rising slope. It is not falling slope. Minus, if we are having, it will be falling slope. If I am having plus, it is rising slope. But it is delayed version and it is delayed by 4 units. Okay, this is around 4. From here it is rising like this. So it is having plus 1 slope. Okay, now I have to add all these signals. Okay, so how to add? Here I am having, this is plus, this is the signal I am having. So it is starting from 0. Minus of R of t minus 1 minus of R of t minus 1, we have to add the signal to the R of t. So it is starting from 1. So 0 to 1, in between 0 to 1, I am having this signal which is rising slope having the slope plus 1. So from 0 to 1, as it is, signal will present. In between 0 to 1, I am having this is a signal. Okay, so 0 to 1. So just as it is, I am increasing 0 to 1. Next, in between 1 to 2. Okay, here no signal 1 to 2. Here no signal 1 to 2. Here I am having the signal 1 to 2. Here in between 1 to 2, I am having the signal. Okay, raising slope plus 1. Here 1 to 2, falling slope minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 slopes will add it together and the final slope is equal to 0, means constant. Okay, in between 1 to 2. So in between 1 to 2, it is constant. Next, what about 2 to 3? Okay. What about 2 to 3? So this is a 2 to 3. So okay, in between 1 to 3, no signal, only these two are existing in between 1 to 3. So rising slope, falling slope. In between 1 to 3, the slope is constant. Next, in between 3 to 4, I am having three signals, 1, 2 and 3. You have to add first signal, second signal and third signal. See, plus 1 minus 1 always constant. So in between 3 to 4 you are having falling slope minus 1. Okay. So in between 3 to 4 falling slope minus 1. Next, after 4 what will happen? After 4 I am having rising, falling. These two always added and they are cancelled out. And here again here also I am having falling slope, rising slope with the minus 1 and plus 1. So it is also constant. So I am having this signal. Okay. Similarly, r of t plus 3 minus r of t plus 2 minus r of t minus 2 plus r of t minus 3. So this is a problem we have to do now. Okay. So r of t plus 3, r of t plus 3 means from minus 3, this is advanced version and advanced by 3 units. So from minus 3, advanced version means the signal is moving towards left. Actually this is r of t having slope 1, and if I want to write r of t plus 3, okay, it is shifted towards left by 3 units. Okay, that's why it is minus 3 like this, r of t plus 3. Next, minus of r of t plus 2. Here we are having negative slope and it is r of t plus 2. This is r of t plus 2 means advanced version and it is advances by 2 units with the minus slope. So this is 2. Okay, so this is minus 2. This is minus 3. This is minus 2. You should consider minus values. It is advanced version. So from minus 2 I am having minus slope. How much slope? Minus 1. R of t plus 2. Next, R of t minus 2. T minus 2 means delayed version. Delayed version means this R of t is shifting towards right side by 2 units, which is having negative slope. Okay, just consider this as plus 2. So R of t minus 2 but minus slope. So like this I will have from t is equal to 2 onwards. Next, what is the signal I am having? R of t minus 3, but which is having plus slope. Minus 3. Minus 3 means it is delayed version, delayed by 3 units. So next signal will be like this. This is plus 3 and it is having the slope plus 1. Okay. Now I want to draw a signal by adding a resultant signal by adding these 4. Okay, so first see, in between minus 3 to minus 2 I am having this raising signal only. Okay, minus 3 to minus 2 I am having only the raising signal. There is no signal in between minus 3 to 2. Okay, so exactly I am placing with slope plus 1. Next, consider minus 2 to plus 2. Okay, so minus 2 to plus 2 I am having the falling slope and here I am having the rising slope. Okay, so raising slope plus 1 and falling slope minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will vanish. So the output will be equal to 0, means constant. So from minus 2 to plus 2. Minus 2 to plus 2, it is constant signal. Okay. So next, wherever in further, if we add these two, because here this is a ramp signal having the slope, it is starting from minus 3 and ended it with the infinity. It is also starting from minus 2, it is ended with infinity. So if we add these two, rising with falling, the final resultant will be always constant or equal to 0. Next, we have to consider the limits between 2 to 3, plus 2 to plus 3. Okay, so here I am having this falling signal which is having the slope minus 1. Okay, in between 2 to 3 we are having 3 signals in between 2 to 3, but addition of these two signals are always constant, and only this signal will present as a output, that is falling signal with the slope minus 1. 2 to 3. Next, after 3, I am having these two signals and these two signals. Total 4 signals will present, but always these two signals will give constant output. Next, if I consider this rising minus 1 and this falling plus 1, so this is also constant. So output is like this. So this is the resultant output signal.